Hi guys, welcome to Brains on the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about hand and foot disease, another outbreak that they claim is not an outbreak in Jamaica, just like how they did dengue and people were dying in droves because they weren't prepared or educated on signs and symptoms. Let's get into this story. It says the Education Ministry has confirmed that it has received isolated reports of the hand, foot, and mouth disease across the island. However, it is said the Health Ministry, which has been monitoring the reports, has indicated that there is no general outbreak of the disease. Surveillance data indicated that there is no unusual number of cases in any area in the island, the Education Ministry said in a statement today. In the meantime, the ministry urged school administrators to take every precaution to prevent the spread of the disease and monitor their students for symptoms. The ministry will continue in collaboration with the Ministry of Health and Wellness to provide tips to prevent and manage the spread of the disease, the statement said. The signs and symptoms of hand, foot, and mouth disease are fever and poor appetite. Aches and pain generally last for 2 days. Blisters developed on hand, feet, and in mouth. Rashes appear as well as red spots then develop into blisters. Young patients tend to drool and avoid swallowing as it may be painful. Very young patients may be dehydrated from refusal to drink. How to prevent hand and foot and mouth disease: wash hands often with soap and water, especially after changing diapers and using the toilet. Clean and disinfect frequently. Touch surface and soiled items, including toys. Avoid close contact such as kissing, hugging, and sharing eating utensils or cups with infected individuals. Parents are urged to keep their children at home for at least 7 days if they experience any of the symptoms. Schools are asked to contact the parish health department if any child is found with symptoms of the disease. So when dengue fever first came out a few months ago, basically, the health minister said there was no outbreak, and when about, I think it was 20 something, around that number, don't quote me if I'm wrong, but I know it's 20 something people died from dengue fever, was when he came out and said that there is an outbreak. And news officials were asking him continuously if there was an outbreak, and he kept telling the people that there was no outbreak until people started dying in droves. And this is one thing I hate with Jamaican government. They're not transparent, and they don't believe in letting the public know exactly what is going on so that they can be prepared and educate themselves on how to prevent, because them say prevention is better than cure. And with diseases like this, whether it's this or dengue, you need to prevent. You can use preventative measures to lower the risk of getting the disease and also containing the disease. So like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Do you think that this is going to be a dengue repeat case where kids or people are going to die within the dozens for them to actually come out and say that there's an outbreak? Or do you think it's just isolated cases and people are panicking because they don't want the same thing to happen that happened with dengue, and a lot of kids lost their life because of dengue fever? And this is no different. This affects children also. So comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Please remember to take my poll questions. They're gonna be located up here somewhere, and it's gonna pop up an eye. That's how I engage my audience and see how you guys are feeling. So take my polls, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Deuces.